On this week's episode of the Boho Family Adventure. Crunch pasties, sausage rolls. Yes.
It's like a sitting room and a bathroom all together.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Mindy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Boho.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure. So, had to get some snacks for the journey. So, for Indy, because she actually does like these, got the little chicken. For Mommy, some little wine gums.
Oh, thank you.
And for me, I've got some cheese and pickle dip. So,
Yummy!
that's good. Right.
I want the cheese and pickle.
We can share. We share.
No, it's fine.
All right, we'll share. We'll share. Right. Fueled up. Should we go?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Make a U-turn.
We're lost already. It's been 3 seconds since the petrol station, and this thing here is already telling us to take a U-turn.
Yeah, what happened was I was thinking about food and I missed the turning.
Thinking about food. They're my cheese.
Daydreaming about food.
My cheese and pickle. Right, let's try again. See, this is karma. Do you like my white t-shirt?
Oh,
Which is now got Branston pickle
oh my god.
absolutely everywhere.
Indy thinks it's funny.
Do you think that's funny? Clean everything on. What are you laughing at? Change your clothes as soon as we get there. Have rat cheese.
B. Uh-oh, A, B. Uh-oh, A, B. Uh-oh, A, B. Uh-oh, A, B, T. A, B.
The map to see where we're going.
Yeah, like wiggly.
Is it wiggly, is it? Oh,
And the cluster.
tractor in this beautiful church.
Where are we?
Up. Green light. So
Is it the Sketches?
we've just drove through into Skeffling, which instantly reminds me and Kyla of a film called The Dark Crystal and the Gelflings.
And what is it?
The Sketches. Dark Crystal. If you've never seen it, watch it.
Crazy, love it.
It was that era where you had the Dark Crystal, the Labyrinth,
Yeah.
and Return to Oz,
Yeah,
which were
love them
3
all.
proper dark films.
Love them all.
Which is your favourite though?
Labyrinth.
Labyrinth.
obviously.
Mine's...
Oh, the never-ending story as well.
No, not as dark. Return to Oz.
What? How can you say it's not dark?
What?
The horse nearly got swallowed by a swamp.
Oh, here we go.
That's dark.
Go watch Return to Oz.
Yeah, that's freaky.
That is freaky.
I love it.
The Wheelers.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was my terrible impression. Indy, we're nearly there.
Yeah.
Well, we've just got to our next park up, which is a little, everybody, a little site called Driftwood, and it's £19. Fingers. £19, including electric for the night. It's just about 6 or 7 pitches. Oh, Madam's got her camera. Snip, snip. Yeah, so it's just a little 6 or 7 pictures, but has the cutest little toilet ever. So
we're gonna go look at it.
We're gonna go look at the toilet. So come on. Yeah. Look at this. It's like a big. I know it sounds sad, but look at this.
It's like a sitting room and a
like
bathroom all together.
But look at these.
Oh.
How cute are these?
Let's have a knock.
Look. It's
Oh wow.
all made of stones, and that's all shells. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's where we are. Look. Driftwood Caravanserai. And we are. Can you point where we are?
We are.
We are there. So we've got a lighthouse down here, which is there, and
Hello, Matthew, you can have a shower while I start to sit and read a book.
yeah. How comfy is this chair? Look. Lots of books. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
So, and best thing about it as well, let me just turn you around. They are 50p to borrow, which goes in here. £1 if you want to keep, and it all goes to the estuary for the
Okay, leave them to
Spurn bird estuary. But yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's.
Now that
Where
we've
we going?
shown you the toilet.
Now we're showing you the toilet. Come on.
Pretty's toilet. Can I let's go? We're gonna go. Where are we going?
Pub.
Pub.
Yeah. If you can see, but just there, every plot has just got your own name on. So let's go this way.
Van locked.
Yes, boss. Van's locked.
Very good.
Here we go. Tip pub. So Kyla's just told me to basically back off because I'm getting too close. If you've watched any of our videos before, you know that when we were in France, I had a day where 1, I twisted my ankle, 2, I put my trainers through the washing machine and ruined them, and 3, trod on Kyla's heel and broke her only pair of flip-flops that we had.
I was not impressed.
Not happy. There we go, look over there. Let's see if I can get across the road. Excuse the wind, but beautiful. And we're just going down here. Taking pictures, Indy.
Yes, I am.
And we are here. Look, you can stay here. It's a hostel. £16 per night.
Wow. Woo.
And it's Indy, pictures. And this is the Spurn Bird Observatory, which is really cool. Click, click. And more importantly, I see the pub. So we are in the Crown and Anchor, and they've got homemade. Where's it gone? Corn pasties, sausage rolls.
I'm hungry.
Out my face.
We're going to play some dominoes. Have a couple of little drinks. Look at this fella.
Would you like to buy this lovely sausage roll?
Lovely.
Mine is going to be a lovely one.
Yours is a lovely one. Building houses. I was picking something out of my mouth then, dude. Too close.
You could have been picking your nose.
No.
And he's having fun building domino houses. That for a view. And a cool lamp.
Building houses. Like mine is going to be
Look at it. This incredible little corner of the UK is a real hidden treasure tucked away in the eastern tip of the country. If you're a fan of stunning beaches, wildlife and a bit of history, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the beaches. Spurn's got miles of soft golden sand that seems to stretch forever. It's the kind of place where you can just kick back and enjoy the sea breeze and let waves wash over your feet. Whether you're walking along the shore or just soaking in the views, it is pure bliss. But Spurn's not just about the waves, it's also a wildlife lover's paradise. The mud flats, salt marshes and dunes are home to lots of birds, especially during migration. You might catch sights of lorpings, wonders or even seals lounging about the beach. It's an amazing spot for nature enthusiasts, no matter the time of the year. And there's some cool history here too. Spurn played a big role during World War II, and there are some old military structures scattered around. From a lighthouse that's been standing for over 150 years to old bunkers, these ruins are fascinating and a reminder of the past. So whether you're here to explore the beaches, spot some wildlife or dive into a bit of history, Spurn is a place that will totally steal your heart. We absolutely loved it. It's wild, peaceful, but completely unforgettable. Drone out and have a look about what's going on.
Seal, a seal, a seal.
Seal, indeed, come on.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week.